3, 2, 1, crescendo.
All three of those Red Alliance robots right up there, and 3 notes going to that Red Alliance speaker. 15 points for your Red Alliance. Blue not off to as hot of a start. As we see, they have 9 points, part of those for moving in autonomous, and Saber looks like they may be stuck on a note. Autonomous is over. Drivers have their controls. Mukwonago Bears looking to use those controls to feed notes to their partner, UPS, who is currently loading up that amp with those notes, going for that cooperation bonus to lower that melody threshold and amplify their own speaker. We see that Blue Beast Robotics may be looking to do something similar. Saber Robotics, their partners, going up for a note, as Square Table Robotics have a note right behind them. Back up into it, line up against that speaker, and that note should be going in as their partners right behind them follow up. There it is. 2 notes in that speaker for your Blue Alliance, starting to make up this deficit, 27-35, with a minute 30 left in this match. Cyberhawks are going up. They've got a note in their robot. Looks like they may be trying to go for that amp, but their robot takes a hard hit and is currently disabled. That RSL is solid. Mukwonago Bears, they're using that feeding strategy that we saw their main team use, where they funnel those notes over to their partners and themselves before activating that speaker to score as many points as possible in that short 10-second window. Those notes, unfortunately, not quite making it all the way up into the speaker, and Red is slowly losing that lead they had. A minute left, and it's within 2 points, as we see 2 points currently in the hands of Square Table Robotics, up and in. That speaker is amplified, so that's going to be 5. Their partners following up. 10 points here for the Blue Alliance, who takes their first lead of the match with 45 seconds. Beast Robotics has a note in tow, barely hanging on to it, but they got it, and that's what counts. Looks like there may be trouble with their intake as they're lining up, but their partners are lining up right behind them. Beast may be trying to go for that amp while their partners go for the speaker with 30 seconds left. UPS Ultimate Protection Squad, also a note stuck in their robot. They're just trying to make it sure it gets out, potentially even 2 notes in that robot. As we hit the last 20 seconds here, the stage zones are protected. Mukwonago Bears going up. They're lined up against their speaker. A lot of notes on the ground for them, but unfortunately, they're having trouble picking them up. A lot of intake issues in this match. We see them go for a park. It looks like Saber may be going for a last-minute climb here. They're up here at the end of the match, but they fall just as time expires in qualification match 6. It was neck and neck the whole match, but we do have the score, and in the end it is your Blue Alliance taking home the victory. Those fireworks going off, making back that deficit 52-41. All 3 of those teams are walking home with 2 ranking points in that match.